Only the strong survive. You either live or you die. I don't need you here at night. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello. Seen your pretty face soon as you came in the door. I just wanna chill, got a set for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced you to my stove. I'm like, hey, what's up.
To start, as usual, I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. And I'm just using a regular brown pencil liner to fill them in. To clean up around my brows, I am using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I'm using the shade C12. And the brush that I'm using to blend out the concealer is from Real Techniques. I'm not too sure the name of this one, but the brush did come in like a packet of 3 brushes.
Anywhere that I be going, baby, make you ginger me.
And that's pretty much how I do my brows. So this one's done. This one I haven't cleaned up here yet, but that's pretty much it. The palette that I'm using is from ColourPop. This is their Yes Please palette, and I'm just grabbing this shade right here, and I'm just going to be applying this right above my creases and blending it out. The brush that I'm using to blend it out is from Morphe. This is one of their blending brushes. Now I'm going in with this orange shade right here, and I'm just placing this directly into my creases and blending it out as well. I am going to be blending it in towards that first shade that I applied, and then afterwards I'm going to go back in with the first blending brush and just blend everything out together. Now I'm grabbing this deep brown shade, and I'm just placing this at the outer corners of my creases, and I'm slightly blending it in to where it gradually transitions into that first shadow that I applied.
Now you I want to, body smoking like a cigarette. Oh,
Now I'm taking this gold pigment with my fingers. Finally, one of my nails broke. Not finally, because I did my nails 2 days ago, and 2 already popped off, so I'm not too pleased with that. But I'm just taking the tip of my fingers to apply this shadow, which is such a beautiful color, and it's also so pigmented.
and I be feeling you, oh. Baby, make you ginger me, oh, and I go ginger you, I know that you're feeling me.
Now I'm taking this blue liquid liner by Kiss, and this is one of my favorite liquid liners. I really love the brush itself. On this line, it does give you a nice control over the product, and especially because the tip of this brush is so fine, it is a lot easier to manage when you're creating a wing.
Amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'm a risk it. I'm a risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that come she yeah. No, they do me, she get. You want it, come move, fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. So nobody better than you. I know. I say nobody proper than you. I know. Then one boy and need your money, yo. Need your money, yo. Them they feel you from London to SA, yo. We can do it my way. Baby, make you ginger me. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel if I know do, I'ma go talk am. Baby, you get rock am. Need for protein, baby. Love you, baby. Dagu, body. I know, say, I just gotta tell you, it's in my mind, you gotta know. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel I be going, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, original Batman.
John Tricks on the beat.
Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry oh, her body amazing oh. My baby oh, I go love you forever oh. Girl, for your body I'ma risk it, I'ma risk it. Chop your body girl like a biscuit, like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that come she jeje, no they do me she get. You wanna come move fair, now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling